Hi, I'm Pat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video, we're gonna do something that I've never done before. So keep watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Grab a snack and some coffee and we'll jump right into it. Oh, my coffee's empty. Okay, so first, let's go make some coffee. While I was going to make my coffee, the doorbell rang, and sure enough, my Javy coffee delivery has arrived. So who wants to mess around making a whole pot of coffee when you can just make Javy coffee in seconds? So let's take my coffee from this to this. All right, so as you can see, I've got my Javy coffee here, and in that box I had vanilla, caramel, and original. Plus, check out this cute cup that came with it. It's a Javy coffee cup, and it's pink and white, and it's got leaves on it. It says, drop it like it's hot. All right, so let's make some coffee, and this is so fast, it's so easy, way faster and easier than making a whole pot of coffee. So we're just going to fill this up with some ice and make an iced coffee. Okay, I've got my cup full of ice here, and it's time to add some Javy. All right, so today I'm going to make a vanilla coffee, and each of these is 30 servings. So there's quite a lot in there. You just want to use a little bit in your cup. I know it's tempting to pour a whole bunch, but it'll be way too strong. Of course, then you'll want to adjust the coffee to your preference. If you like cream or milk, you can do that, or if you just like it black, then you're ready to go. But I personally like cream in mine, so let's add some cream. And of course, we'll grab our straw and the lid. Make sure that's on there really good. Give it a, oh, see? Make sure your lids are on really good. So you don't want to spill your coffee. There we go. All right, give it a stir. So good. It's got a nice hint of vanilla too. So that is how easy it is to make Javy coffee at home. Literally only takes a few minutes, and they included the little book of Javy. So inside here is some recipes, ramblings, and rituals, it says. So I'm going to read just a few little facts about this so you can learn a little bit more about Javy coffee, and you can use code PAT20 at checkout to save 20% when you place your order for Javy coffee. So in the little book it says, making coffee started to feel more like a chore to us and less like a morning ritual that we look forward to. We were so limited to at-home coffee selection out there, we knew there had to be something better. After searching for something that met our criteria of fast, easy, versatile, sustainable, and affordable, we stumbled across coffee concentrates. From our very own kitchens to eventually a world-class facility, we developed a product that allowed you to personalize coffee just how you want it, hot or cold, in literally seconds. No brewing equipment, no mess, or waste. Life is all about what you make of it, and coffee truly makes it so much better. At Javy, we recognize how much coffee enhances our mood, energy, and quality of life. It fuels our imagination, our aspirations, and our desire to live our best life. It helps us build our relationships with our families, friends, and communities. So make sure, if you're a coffee lover, that you try out Javy today. Okay, well, I know at the start of the video I said we were going to do something that I've never done before, but I'm out of time now because I got so excited about my Javy coffee, so I'll have to film that another day. But for now, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Add some Javy. Add some Javy. It says, start your day off with a little Javy in your cup. Whether you like it hot, cold, sweet, or subtle, you can craft the perfect coffee to meet your morning needs with just 2 teaspoons of Javy. Honestly, it's delicious. And it comes with a bunch of different recipes in here, and there's a ton of different recipes on their website as well. So make sure you use the link that's in the description down below, and you can order Javy and save 20% using code PAT20 at checkout. And I'll see you for another video next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.